Let's talk about the world record question, the one you touched in the beginning. So how is then the world better off because your dental clinic guys are in it?
Well, each company, I think, has a start and has the end. But what that company have done in between that gap, this is the most impactful maybe way. So I believe that the world will be better because my company is in it, because of my patients, of our patients, that they learn what is the real health of their mouth. And more people can experience this, more happy I am. I don't like, to get the same patient again and again. I'd like to fix the things and let it go for good, to be happy with the result. So more the patient, more healthy mouth, and that's the one thing. The other thing is the people that work with me in our team, because I believe it's a nice place to growth, as a professionals, as individuals, as personalities. It's a great place to open up, to be themselves, and do that with the courage. It's a place to get to their goals. If I have my own goal, I ask them, do you have your goal? Where we are going together? And sometimes this question is uncomfortable. Why? I'm working here, but where you are going? We are going together, on our way. So, and we have such reflections, once half a year. The questions, the conversations to check in where we are in. And probably with our suppliers, we go to partnerships, relationships as well, with the respect and growth as well, with help to each other.